mathematics teacher. Now today we are going to start next topic, angles. So students, there are basically 5 types of angles are there. First, acute angle, second, right angle, third, obtuse angle, fourth, straight angle, and fifth, reflex angle. These 5 types of angles are there. So what do you mean by angles? Angle means angle is made up of 2 line segment. Angle can be made from 2 line segment. When we join the 2 line segment, when the 2 line segment meet at one point, then angle will be formed. So first we discuss about acute angle. An angle whose measure is in between 0 degree and 90 degree, means it cannot be less than 0 degree and it cannot be greater than 90 degree. So student, 0 degree and 90 degree between angle is known as acute angle. This 30 degree angle and this 45 degree angle, these both are acute angle. It can be made from 2 line segment, and meet at one point. We can make angle in any direction. It can be in right direction, it can be in left direction. Next is right angle. Next one is right angle. An angle whose measure is of 90 degree, means it is an angle which have exact measurement, means it cannot be less than 90 degree, it cannot be greater than 90 degree, it is fixed. The fixed measurement of right angle is 90 degree. This is 90 degree. It can be made in any direction, in left direction or right direction. Next is students, this obtuse angle. Next one is obtuse angle. An angle whose measure is in between 90 degree and 180 degree. Angle whose measure is in between 90 degree and 180 degree, means it cannot be less than 90 degree and it cannot be greater than 180 degree. It is measurement between 90 and 180. It is obtuse angle. So 120 degree, it is obtuse angle. 110 degree, it is also obtuse angle. So student, acute angle, right angle, and this is obtuse angle. Okay students, next one is of straight angle. Straight means it can be made in straight line. An angle whose measure is of 180 degree, means it is like that right angle. Right angle also have exact measurement of 90 degree. And straight angle. Straight angle is just double of right angle. Straight angle measurement is 180 degree. It cannot be less than 180 degree and it cannot be greater than 180 degree. So in between, so it is 180 degree angle is straight angle. Next one is reflex angle. Next one is reflex angle. An angle whose measure is in between 180 degree and 360 degree, means it cannot be less than 180 degree and it cannot be greater than 360 degree. In between 180 degree and 360 degree, it is reflex angle. For example, it is of 100 degree, it is reflex angle, and this is 230 degree, it is also reflex angle. So students, in this video we studied about the 5 types of angles: acute angle, right angle, obtuse angle, straight angle, and reflex angle. Thank you and have a nice day.